What I'm doing now, DIYers, is I've given my shower base a third coat, and while it's still wet, I'm just covering it with mud so it sticks nicely, so the mud sticks to the base nicely. You must always have a slurry when you're laying mud, whether it's your waterproof, wet waterproof, that's a third coat of waterproof, or glue, or neat cement, like straight cement and water. A slurry, for the DIYs that aren't sure what I'm talking about, a slurry is a straight cement mixture or glue or my waterproof, and it sticks the mud to the base. If that explains the word slurry. I hope it does. I always use the pre-mixed in a bag sand and cement. It has all the polymers and extras in it, which it reduces the if you've ever seen sort of sand and cement grout lines not looking right, it's the effervescence coming out, which is not good. It spoils your work. That's sort of after 12 months or 24 months. Right, I've just covered everything before my waterproof dries. That covers everything nicely. I'll mix up a few more buckets of mud and I'll see you soon.